New arrival here at MGM Classic Cars, this 1970 Chevrolet Nova that's been cloned to look like a Deuce. As you can see on the body decals here, guys, that was the infamous big deal back in the day with the Yenko Deuce. This is not a real Yenko Deuce, obviously, but it is a beautiful car. Beautiful blue paint, guys. It's been restored a little bit over 10 years ago, in my opinion. Big block 454 rebuilt. You got the Edelbrock high-rise aluminum intake, 4-barrel Holley carburetor, aluminum radiator, hooker headers. You got the new booster with the master cylinder for the power disc brakes and the power steering. As you can see, it's freshly, nicely done under the paint, very clean for car shows. Argent silver on the latches like they're supposed to be, and the hood hinges from GM back in the day, in the 1970 year. Nice clean core support as well. Okay, now let's go a little bit further. So if any of you didn't like the decal kit that's installed on this car, that is removable, and for an additional cost we can add the different style Yenko kit in a white or a black. So that would be additional if you guys didn't like this one, or you just simply take it off. Newer grille, newer chrome bumper, nice crisp glass. Vent windows are very good. You got the Yenko decal on the side. The Magnum 500 wheels look really spectacular on this car. It's a factory appearance look as well. Paint shine super nice, guys, as you can see. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's nice. All the weather stripping has been replaced. Trunk is super solid all around as well. And it's been painted there. Dual exhaust, nice rear chrome bumper. Passenger side just as nice, guys. Let's pop open the interior here. I mean, it does have a few touch-up areas that were done on the car, maybe 3 or 4 spots, nothing major. All right. Door handles look brand new. Lips are excellent there, guys. There is a little wear here, but that's from closing and opening up the door, as you can see. If that bothers you, we can put a new door panel on. Original pinch welds, as you can see, Southern car. Nice replacement on the door setup here. Okay, so going further, inner outer jambs are super nice. Body by Fisher, as you can see there, guys. Outer jambs are super nice as well. Door panels, like I said, look good. They look factory. Bucket seats, console, as you can see, with the 4-speed manual shifter, guys. Nice dash pad, clear lenses, SS steering wheel. Nice headliner, package tray with the 6x9s, and a nice back seat as well. Beautiful car, it really is. I think you guys will be very happy with this thing. Let's fire it up. I want you guys to check it out. Okay, so we do have some additional options available for this car. Obviously, it's an extra cost, and remind you that you can roll in all of your option list, if you will, to your loan if you're interested. Some of the things for the option list that we have here now available in our service department is you can tint the windows. I can give you a price for that. You can also tint the windshield. It's something that we do with ceramic. You can also ceramic coat the entire car. That's a $695 package if you guys are interested in doing that. Air conditioning add-on to this car is $39.95. If you wanted air conditioning, that can be added to the car. This car already has a good stereo system with the Bluetooth setup and the auxiliary, so no need for an upgrade on the stereo system. Let's see what else we have. We got rear view mirror backup cameras with a 7-inch LED screen, if that's something that you need as well. Okay, So those are some of the options here that you can roll into your loan. You can also roll in your delivery cost and your sales tax in your state. We can roll that into your loan. Now, as far as loans and stuff like that, everything is based off your credit profile. So you will need, good credit starts at about 625, goes up to about 770. And for that, you will need two things. Obviously, good credit, and B, 10% down. Now, again, remind you, you can roll in all those options, sales tax, and delivery charges if that's something that's needed. Now, for those of you who are 780 and higher credit score, I possibly have, and I say possibly have, a no money down option as well, okay? For delivery, call or text me. I do prefer text message. You'll get a quicker reply. But either way, if you do call, please leave a voicemail, year, make, model of the car, and your zip code, and I'll get you a quote right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded here at MGM Classics, so you'll feel very comfortable buying with confidence. We are a 5-star eBay feedback, and 100% on eBay feedback, and we have over 500 5-star reviews with our previous customers here at MGM. So buy with confidence. Call or text. My direct number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.